how to add multiple language audio tracks to your YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you how you can go and add different languages to your YouTube videos. So you can see right here, I'm on this video, and if you go and hover over this and click on settings, you'll see we have the option for audio track, and here we can go and select different languages. So I'm going to show you how you can add this to your own videos. Now, first thing you need to do is click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then click on the YouTube Studio. Go and select content from the left hand side, and then go and click on the edit button next to the video you want to add the languages to. From the left hand side, go and click on languages. You could then select add language and go and select the language you want to add to this video. So for example, I could go and add Chinese, and you'll then just need to go and add the audio track by pressing add. And then you can go and manually upload the audio track in the dubbed language. Now just bear in mind that the audio track should roughly align to the length of your video. Now if you don't have this option available, I'll show you another way to do this as well. So come over to this left-hand navigation and click on settings. You can then click on channel and press advanced settings. Now scroll down this page and you'll see the option for automatic dubbing. And as you can see, this will automatically translate your audio track into different languages. So just make sure this feature is turned on. You can then go and save your changes, and any of your future videos will now have this automatic dubbing.